Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So I have a peel off base coat on today. It's just cuticle oil and 2 layers of gel top coat because I'm going to be popping these nails off because my thumb has a little cracked boo-boo. So I'm using these tips from Amazon. I will link them down below. I'm getting really lazy and bad at linking my products that I'm using down in the description box, so I'm really trying to get better at it. I will try to start linking all of my products down in the description box, and I really apologize for that because I know you guys are always commenting and looking for the products that I'm using, and I always fail you on that. So I will definitely try to be better. I'm just picking out my sizes, and then I'm going to be adhering these with base coat. My base color today for all of the nails is going to be the Model 1's Polygel in the shade Light Apricot. Since this is just a boring application and we're doing the same shade on all of the nails, we're doing just full coverage of this same polygel. I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about what's been going on with me. So I don't know if you guys saw my community post, but I had said that my fiance had COVID and that I would be quarantining with him, so there would be ample time for me to film videos and edit for you guys. However, which I don't know why I thought that I wasn't going to get it when I was living with my fiance, but I ended up also getting COVID, and I was so sick, you guys, like so incredibly sick. The first 2 days was absolute torture. I couldn't leave my bed. I had terrible body aches. My back was killing me. My head was pounding. I was so congested. I am still pretty congested, as I'm sure you guys can tell. But I'm definitely better now than I was before. My taste and smell is gone, unfortunately, and that gives me a whole lot of anxiety. I hate not being able to taste my food or smell the candle that I lit or, you know, whatever. It's really driving me crazy, and I've heard horror stories of people's taste and smell not coming back ever, and that really terrifies me. So say a prayer for me. Hopefully I can taste and smell my food soon. But yeah, so I didn't film as much as I really thought I was going to during this time because I ended up also getting very sick. So I wanted to apologize for that, but I still wanted to get this video up for you guys because I am feeling a little bit better now. My fiance has been out of work for about a week, actually a little over a week, and he has just come back to work today. So I'm at home right now. I'm off of school, so now that I'm healthy-ish again and, you know, I have the house to myself, I can film for you guys more. I don't want to make any promises because, you know, life happens, but I wanted to just let you guys know that that's kind of what's been going on with me. I was super sick, as well as my fiance being sick and me taking care of him, so it was just a lot this past, like, week and a half. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I wasn't just kind of like saying shit and then not following through with it. But yeah, I wanted to know how you guys are. I don't really talk that much through my videos. Usually I do voiceovers, but it's kind of just describing what I'm doing in the video and not really talking to you guys directly. So let me know in the comments how you guys are doing, if you guys have had COVID, and if you guys lost your taste and smell, because I am so incredibly freaked out by it. I absolutely hate it. I'm just dying about it, but that's okay as long as I'm healthy and happy. That's all that matters, right? So yeah, but definitely be safe out there, wear your mask, do whatever you gotta do, because you do not want to feel how I felt. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will stop rambling now. So I'm going to be doing my file shaping and buffing off camera, but this is how they looked after the fact. I just love these. I think they look so pretty. I don't know what it is about it. Maybe it's the shape, because I don't really do coffin all that much. I usually stick to tapered square, but I am loving these. So maybe you'll see more coffin from me. I don't really know. But I am going to be doing a design on these nails. I'm going to be doing some nail art, and it's easier for me to do my nail art when I have a smooth surface to work on. So I'm applying some top coat to all of these nails, and then we are going to be getting into the nail design. I am using an inspo pic for this design, and I will insert it somewhere here in this video, but let's get started on that. I'm using the Gershon gel polish in S007, which is just the blue that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this to draw the abstract shapes on my nails. For the black lines, I'm going to be using the Saviland gel paint liners in the black shade, and this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just drawing the lines that I see in the picture. I don't know who created this original nail set because I found my inspo pic on Pinterest. So if you guys know who created this first, definitely let me know in the comments down below because I don't want to take credit for it. I want to give credit where credit is due. So after top coat, this is the finished result. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. The inspo pic was absolutely beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It will definitely help me out. Thank you.